Hiya, we're back at the caravan and it's a horrible grey day today, and we've now been up the stop.
Hi again folks, and welcome back to the caravan. It's the start of October and we're getting ready to pack everything away, ready for the winter season. We've had the camper awning up for a second season and the awning itself has held up well. A couple of times the stakes have pulled out and the tubes have collapsed down, but it's just been a case of pulling them back up and staking them back down again.
This is what we've arrived to. Haven't been here for weeks. It's a bit of a mess. So everything's alright inside. The peg's out, so that might be all it is. Probably our neighbour's been up and down pulling that in and out all summer. Wait till you get the hammer. So it hasn't gone down then. It's just collapsed. The ground hard.
But as you will see from the windows, they've gone a very opaque colour. Now we don't know whether this is due to the fact that we've got direct sunlight on the front or the fact that there's a dusty road just a short distance away. So what we're going to have a go at doing today is to try and clean it, and Lynn's got 3 different products she wants to try, and she'll let you know the results.
Right, so the first product I've got is white vinegar. See if this makes a difference. Just do a little bit. Oh, I think I might need some milk rich. It does seem to be, yeah, making its mark. Seems to be getting the surface off, but we'd have to do a lot of work on that. No. Right, let's try the second one then. No, I need a different cloth because this is stinks. This is called, which I can't pronounce, but Rich will.
Isopropyl alcohol, or better known as rubbing alcohol. Yeah.
That seems to be making a better effort of it. It's coming off. Well, I don't want to make a hole in it. I don't know. Oh, it stinks. Yeah, you have to use this in a well ventilated area, that's for sure. Right, let's have a look at that. Yeah, you can, but it's still opaque, isn't it? It's not, I don't think that you're going to get rid of the opaqueness, do you think?
I don't know.
And the third one, where's the cloth for that? The third one I wanted to try,
over here somewhere,
was Pledge multi-surface polish, the blue one. I've been told this is quite good for these sort of windows. Yeah, I might have to hold it for me. Again, it seems to be It's moving the dirt but not the opaqueness. Let's have a look at that one.
Well, isopropyl alcohol seems to have done the best job.
Yeah, I don't know if the camera can see that. And make sure that they can. I wonder if with a bit more scrubbing you might see more of a.
You can't really see it from here.
No, that was the isopropyl.
Yeah,
that was the vinegar.
Yeah, but it's the bottom one that's clearest.
Do you think? I think that one's clearest. Just the vinegar. I know that one's showing signs that it's moving it.
Yeah, that one's a lot better than the others. It is clearing.
It's definitely looking better, but you still can't see out of it. I mean, I'd love to be able to see that.
Oh, well. Try cleaning a bit more.
We'll clean a bit more and come back to you. Hello again, it's me. As you can probably see, it was a complete waste of time. It has cleaned it, to be fair, but you're never going to get rid of that opaqueness.
That line down the middle if you move over a bit.
Look, there you go. So my advice would be buy new windows. I don't know how much they are, but no, it's still doing its job, but I'd love to be able to see out of them, but we'll see next year what happens. I forgot to add that we actually decided on the word I can't pronounce, isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol in other words, to actually do the experiment.
Okay, so until the next time, don't forget, if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and if you press on the little bell icon, it will remind you each time we put a new video up. So until we catch you again, don't forget, keep smiling. Bye for now.
Bye.